Hi everyone, welcome to Suresh Techs. If you are visiting our channel for the first time or if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe Suresh Techs. So in our previous tutorial we looked at HTML media. So there are different formats available in video and audio formats. We looked at all the different formats that we can place in a an HTML file. So if you look at any of the web applications, most of the web applications introduction screen or the home screen is going to contain a media file. It can be an audio file or it can be a video file. So today we will discuss about HTML videos. So we will try to look at placing HTML videos inside a web application. So we will try to look at placing videos in a web application. So to place a video inside your web application, you have to use an element called video. Okay, so you have to use an element called video. So let me create a project now. So I am going to start with HTML followed by the closing of HTML body and the close of body, and here I am going to place heading Suresh text and I'm going to close the heading. Let me save this as videos.html. Okay, sorry, videos.html, and I'm going to save the save as type to HTML. Now to place a video, okay, let me open this project, which is videos dot, and I'm going to open it with Google Chrome. Okay, so it is displaying header now. So to provide a video, to embed a video, there is an element called video. So just need to say video, just close the video, and inside this you need to provide the source elements. Okay, so you need to provide an element called source, and the source accepts an attribute called src, and here you need to pass a value which is the path of the video inside, which is the path of the video. So which is the path of the video. Now along with that you need to provide the type of the video that you are going to embed. So if it is of type mp4, okay, you just need to mention video, because we are embedding a video, we have to say video and then forward slash followed by the extension of the video, which is mp4, and if it is an ogg file you need to provide ogg. So as per your type you need to mention out here. Now we need to provide the path of the video which we are going to display. So now let me look at this. So here I have a video start. Yeah, so this is an mp4 video. So this is our the introduction screen of Suresh Tech. So I am going to use this video now. So I have start, which is of type mp4. So I am going to use that as start dot mp4. Now if you look at the, now I'm going to refresh it. Look at this. Is it starting? No, it's not starting. Okay, so we have placed it, but it is not working. There is no control, there is nothing displayed here. Okay, this is very big one, but then nothing has displayed as of now. Now there is no play button, there is nothing. So to provide the play button, so it's basically to provide the controls, you need to provide a value to the video element, so it is called controls. If you provide controls, then if you refresh it, look at this. So look at this, it has provided play button and it has the slider, it has everything. Now if you, so look at this. So it's basically playing the video, right? It's basically playing the video, but if you look at this, the video is very large. Even it has a scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar available here. So this is really a big video. Now to control the height and width, you can pass two attributes such as height. So if you want height to be 200, okay, and width to be 200. So let me refresh it. Now it looks something like this. Okay, so now let me increase the height. I'm going to give, sorry, now let me increase the width. So width I'm going to give 600. So if you refresh it now, so look at this. So this is how it looks like. So you can do all the control rail. So you can even control all this video. So if you provide controls here, it is going to provide the controls for the video. Now, for example, you have added this, but some browsers may support this video and some browsers may not support this video. So that's why it's always a best practice to provide different types of sources. For example, if you have a OGG file for the same video, okay, so you can add that. So you can add that as a second source. So what happens is whenever this gets rendered, so whenever it gets rendered, the browser will use the first recognized format. For example, when we are opening this application in a web browser, in case if the browser in case if the browser supports this mp4, then it will pick this source file and it is going to run this video file. In case if it doesn't support mp4, then it will try to pick the next source element. So in that way it is going to work. So it's like the first accepted is going to be, so it's like the first supportable is going to play. Now in case nothing has supported, so that means none of the source has, none of the source has supported, then you can provide a text below that. So if you provide something like this, your browser does not support this video. So if you provide like this, whenever these two are all the source elements which are above this text doesn't support by the web browser, then it is going to display this text. Okay, then it is going to display this text. So this is how you can provide, so this is how you can embed video into your web applications. Now if you look at this would be same. Now let me go back to the presentation. Now look at this. So the numbers in the table specify the first browser version that fully supports the video element. Now look at this. So in the Chrome version 4.0, it supported the video, and similarly, so these are the different browsers which supports the video. Okay, and there are three major video formats which are supported in all the web browsers. So they are called, and they are mp4, webm and ogg. And if you look at here, the Internet Explorer does support mp4, whereas Internet Explorer doesn't support webm and ogg. So if you provide webm and ogg extension videos inside a Internet Explorer, they're not going to work. And similarly, Chrome is going to support mp4, webm and ogg, and Firefox is going to support everything, and Safari doesn't support webm and ogg. That's all for today. Please do subscribe to Suresh Text. Thank you so much.